Next is the another problem. This problem is not compared to previous problem. It is not so easy. So you need many things. A few things which is you have studied in your high school, and the theory part, whichever I explained, the finding the mean hydraulic gradient, that formula and all you have to mug it. Uh, see well See here, determine the circular size of the circular sewer. So there is a sewer is there. That sewer, circular sewer, exactly not like around, exactly circular sewer is there. See here, in this you have to find out the diameter. So your job is to find out the diameter. What should be the diameter for a discharge of 500 liter per second? Okay, 500 liter per second. So when it is running half, so it is running half, assume slope. Okay, slope they are given the value, s value they have given 0.001. okay, and Manning's constant n is equal to 0.00.015 they are given. Okay, so they have told that it is been running half, so small depth, hydraulic depth, so you have to take it 0.5 times of d. Okay, so this is most important. Okay, so when it is been running half, okay, when you're running half you have to remember this formula. Okay, so see here, this is the section when it is half, when it is flowing half, then this cos theta by 2 will remains equal to 0. Okay, only in this case of the circular section. Okay, be careful, note down very clearly, when it is running half, this cos theta divided by 2, okay, that will become 0. Okay, for which you should be known a few other things. Okay, some trigonometric sign conventions. So theta by 2 is 90 degree when it is running half. So theta by 2 is 90 degree. So cross multiple theta 90 into 2, it will be 180. So theta will become 180 degree. So sin theta will be 0 degree. Okay, so sine of any pi, okay, this 180 degrees pi, that is pi is value is 180. So sine of any pi is equal to 0. Sin theta is equal to will become 0. Okay, so I told in the from beginning only in the explanation in the theory part. Okay, this formula you have to remember. Okay, area is equal to area is equal to pi d square divided by 4 into theta by 360 minus sin theta divided by 2 pi. Okay, remember this formula for the finding the area. Okay, so for finding the area of the circular section you have to know this. Okay, so here the pi d square depth we don't know. Okay, sorry, diameter we don't know, you keep it as it is. Theta by 360 is there. Okay, so theta by 360 is half. Okay, that is half, you have to substitute this one as a half. Okay, here sin theta is 0. Okay, don't forget this sin theta, sine of 180 degree, theta is 180. So theta value sine of 180 degree, if you substitute here you will get 0. Okay, so that's why here you will get 0. So finally area, this half minus 0, you will get half only. So denominator get multiple, so you will get d square divided pi d square divided by 8. So it is, you got this answer. Okay, if you don't know, sorry, uh, if you have any confusion in this, I will repeat once again. See here, the diameter we don't know, so we kept as it is. Here theta by 360 is there, no? So 360 is an angle, it's not a value. Okay, 360 you write it as it is. When it is running half, theta value, I told theta angle will be theta by 2 will be 90 degree, multiple theta value you will get it as 180. You substitute this 180 here. Okay, after substituting that 180 divided by 360 you will get this half. Okay, so later the same one, that what theta value you substitute here. Okay, so you will get sine 180 divided by 2 pi, so it will become 0. Okay, so finally this area you will get it. Next, perimeter you need to determine. So perimeter is equal to pi d when it is running half. So this is the formula, pi d into theta by 360. So theta value already it is there, it is 180 degree. 180 degree, substitute that 180 degree, so 180 degree divided by 360 you will get pi d divided by 2. So perimeter is equal to pi d divided by 2. Okay, then you come for radius. So radius, whatever the I told, sorry, not radius, mean hydraulic depth. R is mean hydraulic depth. I told R is equal to A divided by P. So area, you know that pi d square, you already get that answer, pi d square divided by 8. So this divided by this one. Okay, so it will go to numerator, this will go to numerator. Okay, this will go to numerator here. Okay, so it will become pi d square divided by 8 as it is, whatever it is been written here, it is been here only. But this value, it will get reversed when you go to the numerator, it will get reversed. Okay, so that's what here. So you can see this one and this one, so whatever here the same value it is been written here only, but this value it will be reversed. Okay, 2 by pi d is equal to d by 4. Mean hydraulic depth will become, if you cancel, you will get d by 4. Okay, so take r value and s value, and n value it is given here only. Okay, so all value substitute in this formula. Okay, q only they are given 500 liters per second. Okay, Manning's formula is equal to this one. Actually v is equal to, a will not be there. Okay, v is equal to 1 by n root of r to power of 2 by 3 s to power of 1 by 2. But what you have to do is your regular way finding v, and then use the formula q is equal to v into a, no? Okay, so here in place of v, I am substituting this whole formula here only. So that's why q is equal to this whole formula into area. So that's what this formula is. Okay, I will repeat once again, q is equal to v into area. But what is v? V is equal to 1 by n r to power of 2 by 3 s to power of 1 by 2. Okay, so 2 and 1 I will write it in, so I can't no place, so that's why I will write 2 by 3 and 1 by 3. You take it as 2 by 3 1 by 3. Okay, this whole term, this whatever this whole term is there, you insert here. Okay, so you will get this term as this one, it will reduced as this one, q is equal to 1 by n. So whatever the area is here, so that area is here. Okay, so 1 by n area, r to power of 2 by 3 and s to power of 1 by 2 is here. Okay, so that's how the equation is there. Okay, so don't get confused when you see this equation. So q value substitute it, a value it is here. Okay, a value is here, r value is here, d by 2, s value it is given here. Okay, in the given question, then substitute it, then you will get this one. Okay, you may get confused in here. Okay, so all cross multiplication you do it, here it is do d square, here it is d to power of 2 by 3. Okay, here you have to be very careful. You have to separate it. So numerator and denominator. 4 to power of 2 by 3 and divided by sorry, this is d to power of 2 by 3 and 4 to power of 2 by 3. You have to separate it out. Okay, don't forget this. First you do the square, 4 square, and you do cube of 4 square, that is 16 cube, square root of 16. Okay, so this denominator is 4 root of cube root of 16. You have to do it. Okay. But here the denominator d to power of 2 by 3 is there, no, here. So and here it is d square. So what you have to do is, here it is d square into d to power of 2 by 3. So what you have to do is, the base, when the base is same, you have to add numerator. So you will get like this, 2 plus 2 by 3. What you have done in primary, same thing. Okay, so it is 2 into 3, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So it will become 8 by 3. What is that? 8 by 3. You will get answer is d to power of 8 by 3. Okay, so this is what your answer will be. So that's why the equation, whatever it is there, it will be reduces to d to power of 8 by 3. Here you will get d to power of 8 by 3 is equal to whatever answer you will get, it is 4.81. So how you have to use this is, so if you send to this end, okay, d to power of 8 by 3, 8 power 3 into, consider yes, x is there. So when you send here to this, you just use your scientific calculator and try to do this. Okay. It's very simple. Okay. When considered there is a cube root x square, means consider y is there. So what you will get? You will get square of y. The same way here it is power, no, 2 by 1. Okay, so like that here it is 8th, d 8 by 3. Okay, same way here also, when you send here, it is 8th root of whatever here answer x is there, 4.8, that divided cube. Okay, like this you have to do it. So use the calculator and do it. Okay, 8th cube root. Okay, so there is a specifically there is a button is there in a calculator. Use that 8th cube root of 4.812 cube. Okay.